Hey guys, thanks for dropping by Design by Kathy. Today I have a project that kind of made me want to pull my hair out a little bit. I had one thought of scrapping the first two attempts and not even showing you those. Then I decided I'm going to go at it a little bit differently because, like I've said before, everything doesn't come out exactly the way you want it to every time. That doesn't mean that it's a bad thing, doesn't mean you got to throw it away. So I'm going to go ahead and show pieces of my first two my first two takes on this project and then get to where it ended up. So I hope you enjoy it. Okay, so let's see if a third time is a charm at redemption for this poor piece. Thought about just scrapping the whole thing and, just starting completely over. But I'm going to try one more thing and we'll just see what happens here. So I want to start like right about here. And I want to do this on an angle. And I have another piece. Here, I'm gonna dip this string, again, just my cotton string like we've done in several other videos. Only we were making different things, feathers. I'm not really going, I'm thinking a leaf, if this could look more like a leaf than a feather. So I'm not going to, when the feathers, we went off of this side and try to, get it to look like a feather. This one, I'm hoping that it'll look more like a leaf. Make sure make sure your string doesn't have gaps in it, because if it has gaps, it'll leave a gap on your canvas. So I'm gonna start it here, but this time I wanna go this direction. And I'm gonna do the same thing. Whoops, I don't want a whole lot of string. I didn't want to ditch all these colors though. I'm really kind of digging the colors. I like the green, and I like this. I think this one's this metallic silver dries. I think it's going to be pretty cool looking. And I would recommend gloves. The only reason I'm not is my gloves are kind of big and it seems like I end up making more of a mess on my canvas because I splatter places with my gloves. Well, or maybe I just do it on my fingers too. I'm a messy person, apparently, people. That's why it's always good to have your baby wipes handy. Of course, paper towels, but baby wipes as well. Let's see. Okay, I'm thinking a couple more. What do you guys think? Why not? Maybe one or two more. But hey, you had fun doing it, folks. Just do it. I didn't get them in the center. I don't have a great eye for centering things. Hanging things on the wall, for heaven's sakes, I have to use a level or something. Some people can just eyeball things and tell exactly. I'm not one of those fortunate people. This will be interesting. I'm gonna make a teeny tiny one. Right here. Teeny tiny. As tiny as I can. I'm seeing right here where I pulled this one down, it just dragged the little stem kind of right through the middle, and it just doesn't look, it doesn't look right to me. So I'm gonna do one more and see if I can make that, just to join it up a little bit. Okay, I promise. I'll stop now. Hey guys, thanks for watching. I'd love to hear your comments and what you think about this and this little project that we did today. And I just wanted you to know that, you know, anything can go wrong, and don't give up. Don't get discouraged. Just take it somewhere else. Whatever you do, make it yours, make it personal, and you can do it. Guys, thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.